is made up of everything around us. And I'm talking about everything. From plants and animals to climate, water, and soil, our environment includes it all. So whose job is it to study all these things? That would be the job of an ecologist. An ecologist is a scientist who observes how living things and the environment work together. It's their job to find out if we are harming the environment or if it might be harming us. Since an ecologist studies the environment, it's no surprise they are sometimes called environmentalists. Ecologists must be very curious people. They observe the relationship between living things and their environment. Then they record their findings. Some ecologists narrow their studies to a specific species or habitat, while others might choose to observe many species within an environment. As you might imagine, there is no shortage of things to study. And speaking of studying, ecology jobs depend on a good education. People who are hoping to become an ecologist take lots of science courses in college. These courses include biology, botany, and also zoology. And that's not all. Since ecologists share their findings and educate people, it's important for them to have good writing and speaking skills as well. So it's not uncommon to see ecology students taking courses in writing and literature too. After graduating, ecologists can work in education, research laboratories, local, state, or national governments, or even in museums, aquariums, and zoos. The job possibilities are endless. How do they spend their days? Well, that depends on their field of study. Ecologists might spend the day outdoors collecting data, or in a laboratory running tests. They could also be in a classroom teaching, or in an office writing reports or articles to inform people about the findings of their studies. Ecologists working in zoos and aquariums might split their day between research and teaching. Being an ecologist can be a lifelong occupation. So if you like working outdoors, doing research in a lab, or educating others, maybe you'd be interested in the many opportunities available to an ecologist.
So much later, I logged out.
That's okay.
I have to restart everything.